AMQ's active height adjustable desk makes the transition from sitting to standing completely effortless. It's quick and easy to assemble and will allow you to sit and stand throughout your day in no time. You can follow along with the steps outlined in the assembly instructions, where you'll also find additional tips for installing cable management. This and your user and troubleshooting guides can be found in the small electronics box. Before you begin, clean the floor or workspace being used for assembly. We recommend using a piece of cardboard or blanket to protect the user's side of the work surface. Open the boxes and verify you have all your parts. Read the installation guide and identify your screws and Allen keys. We highly recommend grabbing a friend to help with the assembly, as some parts are heavy and incorporate electronic components. Unpack the stretcher bar and lay it upside down. The label on the control box should be facing upwards to indicate that the stretcher bar is upside down. With the help of a friend, slide one leg column into the stretcher bar and align the pre-drilled screw holes together. Take 4 of the M6 screws and lightly tighten together using a 5mm Allen key. Repeat this process on the other leg. Flip the cantilever upside down and slide it into the stretcher bar until it fits flush with it. You may need your partner to lift the leg slightly for a flush fit. Align the stretcher bars and cantilever's pre-drilled screw holes together. Take another set of M6 screws and lightly tighten together using a 5mm Allen key. There are 2 pre-drilled screw holes per side.
It doesn't say anything in the instructions about using a drill.
Are you started? Is it in?
Yeah.
Right. Well, there's 4, 6, 8 on each side.
Right.
After they are screwed in, place the plastic screw caps over each screw.
Not like you're going to see them.
Right.
Unless the top table's.
Grab one of the feet and place it on top of the leg column. Make sure the 4 pre-drilled screw holes align with each other. Tighten the foot and leg column together using 4 M10 screws and an 8mm Allen key. Repeat this process for the other side. To adjust the width of the base, there is a screw in the center of the stretcher bar that can be loosened, allowing the stretcher bar to expand. Once at the desired width, tighten the pre-mounted screws along the inner side of the stretcher bar using a 4mm Allen key. Carefully lift the base assembly and lay it upside down on top of the work surface. Check the base to see if it is positioned correctly underneath the work surface. After confirming the position on the base, locate your screws. Drill the screws into the pre-drilled holes of the cantilever into the work surface. Depending on your cantilever type, you will need 3 screws for C-type cantilevers or 4 screws for T-type cantilevers on each side. After securing the cantilevers to the work surface, you will need 10 screws to secure the base to the work surface. Locate the pre-drilled screw holes between the inner sides of the stretcher bar and drill the screws into the work surface. connect the wire coming out from the left motor into the left side of the control box at the M1 port. Then, connect the wire coming out from the right motor into the right side of the control box at the M2 port. Once the handset and motors have been connected to the control box, connect the power plug to the power port. Just like the motors, connect the handset wire to the control box at the handset port. To tighten the handset, locate the two screws and screw them into the work surface through the pre-drilled handset screw holes. Stand opposite of the side of the work surface with the handset. Underneath the work surface on the stretcher bar, there are plastic cable management hooks that can secure the cables and wires. Plug the power cord into an outlet. Once power is connected to the base, reset the base. To do this, hold the down arrow button on the handset until the base reaches its lowest height. Now that everything is connected, grab a friend and carefully flip the base right side up by lifting the edge of the work surface that the handset is on to prevent damage to the handset. Active's handset can program up to 4 height presets. Use the up-down arrows on the handset to adjust to your desired height. Then press the M button followed by 1, 2, 3, or 4. After setting the height to a designated number, pressing on the designated number will automatically adjust the base to the preset height. Warning: remove and secure the power cord when not in use to prevent children from operating the desk unsupervised. If not set up properly, this product could cause serious injury due to pinch points between moving desks and other objects. Verify the height adjustment range is free from obstructions above and below the work surface within the range of travel. Always make sure there is a 1-inch minimum gap between all work surface edges and adjacent furniture or walls. And that is it. Your Active Desk is fully operational and ready to go. To fully utilize the benefits of a height adjustable desk, we encourage you to sit, stand, and move throughout the day. Because at Steelcase, we're inspired by the idea that your next posture is your best posture.